If you enjoy aviation, legendary airplanes, and technical curiosities from the past and present of aviation history, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any content and will keep flying with us on this incredible journey. The Lockheed Tristar is the actor today. In the 1960s, commercial aviation was going through a time of transformation. Large four-engine jets already dominated the skies, but airlines were looking for more efficient aircraft suitable for medium and long-haul routes. It was in this context that the Lockheed L-1011 Tristar was born. Known simply as a Tristar, the project represented not only Lockheed's return to the commercial airliner market after years focused on fighters and military aircraft, but also an ambitious bet to compete with powerful rivals like the Douglas DC-10 and the Boeing 747. The Tristar impressed with its elegant design. Its name came from the three Rolls-Royce RB211 turbofan engines, installed in a distinctive layout. Two mounted under the wings and one embedded in the tail, fed by an S-shaped intake duct. This configuration gave it aerodynamic balance and enough thrust to safely cross oceans. Lockheed invested heavily in advanced technology, making the Tristar one of the most sophisticated airliners of its time. One of the greatest innovations of the L-1011 was its flight deck. It was the first wide-body airliner equipped with fully automatic digital navigation systems, capable of performing Category 3 landings even in extremely low visibility. This meant the Tristar could land in heavy fog with remarkable precision, something that gave it an edge over the DC-10. Additionally, the cockpit was spacious and modern, designed to reduce pilot fatigue and increase safety with multiple redundancies in all critical systems. Inside the cabin, passengers enjoyed comfort above the average standard. The wide fuselage allowed generous seating arrangements, wide aisles, and an overall sense of space that delighted travelers. Airlines valued this characteristic, as marketing around comfort was decisive for attracting customers. Flying aboard the Tristar was synonymous with smoothness. The sound insulation was excellent, and the aircraft's stability in flight impressed even seasoned passengers. The Tristar first flew in 1970 and entered service in 1972 with Eastern Airlines. From the start, it received praise for its reliability and smooth operation. However, it faced commercial obstacles that compromised its success. The biggest challenge was a delay in developing the Rolls-Royce RB211 engines. The temporary bankruptcy of the British manufacturer set the program back by years, giving the DC-10 room to capture many orders. Even so, throughout the 1970s and 1980s, the Tristar flew for many airlines around the world. Among them were TWA, Delta Airlines, British Airways, and Cathay Pacific, among many others. For transatlantic flights and high-density routes, it was an ideal machine balancing range, comfort, and efficiency. A noteworthy fact was the confidence pilots and engineers had in the Tristar. Many consider it safer than the DC-10, thanks to its extra redundancy in hydraulic and electronic systems. The Tristar was also a pioneer in automated flight management, anticipating the modern FMC flight management computers used today. Despite its qualities, the aircraft struggled to compete in sales numbers. While the DC-10 surpassed 440 deliveries, the Tristar stopped at 250 units produced. This difference, combined with the program's high costs, made the project less profitable for Lockheed. By the late 1980s, the company decided to leave the commercial aviation market for good, focusing on military and space projects. Still, the operational career of the Tristar was long and remarkable. Many examples flew until the 2000s. Some converted into freighters and others adapted for military use. The Royal Air Force, for example, operated the L-1011 as an aerial refueler and troop transporter for decades, demonstrating the aircraft's versatility and endurance. From a technical standpoint, the Tristar was considered ahead of its time. Its refined aerodynamics, advanced automatic landing systems, and structural reliability made a landmark among pilots. Its reputation was that of a gentle aircraft, easy to fly and extremely safe. Among passengers, the memory was one of quiet, comfortable, and smooth journeys. As time passed, the Tristar became rare. Only a few examples remain preserved in museums or storage yards in the desert. Some can still be found at retired military bases or as aviation heritage displays. For enthusiasts, it is an aircraft that symbolizes a bold era, when manufacturers competed not only for sales but also to push technological boundaries that would shape the future of aviation. Today, when looking back at the L-1011, one can see that although it was not a market champion, it earned a special place in aviation memory. Its legacy goes beyond numbers. It shows how the pursuit of technical perfection can create aircraft that, even if limited commercially, leave a profound mark on history. The Tristar represented the pinnacle of Lockheed's civil aviation efforts. It was an aircraft that combined beauty, innovation, and reliability in a unique package. For those who had the chance to fly aboard, the experience was unforgettable. And for aviation lovers, the Tristar will always be remembered as the perfect airplane that arrived too soon.